In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship on Etsy from AliExpress 2025, step by step. We'll start with choosing Etsy safe products on AliExpress. Focus on items that can be personalized or customized, like names, photos, colors, engravings, or made-to-order designs. Great ideas for 2025 include custom mugs, shirts, and hoodies, personalized jewelry, custom phone cases, engraved keychains, printable planners with optional physical versions, and wall art with custom text. On AliExpress, search terms like custom, personalized, and print on demand work well. Then filter for strong sellers. Aim for a 4.5-star rating or higher and at least 100 orders. Before listing anything, verify your supplier. Message the seller to confirm processing times, whether they accept custom orders, and that they can ship without including an invoice or logo in the package. Check photo reviews and typical delivery times to your main markets, like the US, UK, or Canada. Ideally, you want AliExpress standard shipping that delivers in about 7 to 15 days. Next, create your Etsy shop. Go to etsy.com/sell and set up your shop name, currency, and country. Add your payment method and billing, then write clear shop policies for returns, shipping, and personalization, so buyers know exactly what to expect. Now create your listing the right way. In the listing settings, set who made it to I did because you designed it, what is it to a finished product, and when was it made to made to order. In settings under production partners, add your AliExpress supplier as a partner, list their location as China, and note that they help produce your items. This transparency keeps you compliant and reduces the risk of account issues. Price your product with a simple formula. Add product cost, shipping, and estimated Etsy fees, then set a retail price that leaves healthy profit. For example, if the item is $8, shipping is $4, and fees are about $2. Pricing between $24 and $35 makes sense. Remember, Etsy customers pay for customization and aesthetics. Write a high-converting listing. Use a clear, keyword-rich title like personalized name necklace, custom gift for her, minimalist jewelry. In the description, include exactly how to customize processing and shipping times, who produces the item, and care instructions. Use clean mockups from tools like Canva or Placeit. Add lifestyle images and tasteful text overlays. When an order comes in, place it on AliExpress, paste the customer's details, include their personalization notes, ship to their address, and upload the tracking number to Etsy. Make sure no invoice is included. Provide excellent customer service. Reply within 24 hours, set honest expectations, handle delays professionally, and offer refunds or replacements when appropriate. Great reviews drive more traffic. To scale, order samples, build a consistent brand, move to faster suppliers when possible, and use tools like Canva, Everbee, or eRank, and Google Trends to grow strategically.